I'm a partner at Skidmore, Owings and Merrill. We're a design firm in the United States. We're a firm that designs buildings at all scales. We're responsible for the design of the architecture, the structure, mechanical systems, and in many ways really important, the planning of not just buildings but cities. So greetings from the Politecnica de Torino. I'm here for a multi-day conference on seismic engineering and the idea of coming up with systems and components and materials that make a difference to our structures in areas of high seismicity. I'm surrounded by a group of people that are experts in the field from all over the world, professors and practitioners and students that are interested in making the world better in terms of the performance and thinking about cities and how we plan cities like this city and how in the future we think about the resources that we have and protecting them. Many cities in Italy have some of the most important structures in the world, creating systems that help to strengthen them, to help them perform better in strong ground motions related to earthquakes, and areas that look at materials, lightweight materials, reducing the mass of these structures to create something that behaves much more naturally with the environment. That's our hope. That's our idea, that these advancements can make a real difference. And we see structures of the future using alternate materials, whether it's lightweight concrete materials or steel that have super elastic characteristics like shape memory alloy that allows our buildings to behave naturally in an earthquake and allows them to come back to their resting position as they did before the earthquake without significant damage. We're concerned about systems that get attached to our buildings. So the exterior wall systems, the interior partitions, and most importantly, how we use these structures for universities, for our homes, and making them safe so that after a major seismic event, we can reoccupy those buildings and use them as we did before the earthquake came to the particular site. And this is something that is important not just for Italy, but for the world. And we see many areas around the world that continue to develop with large populations that can use these advanced ideas and local techniques of construction to build buildings of the future based on this science that we're developing here at this conference. So thank you for listening. Thank you for being part of this, I think, great moment in Italy. This idea that seismic engineering is so important to both the engineers that are here and the architects, but for the wider public and the safety of these systems and ultimately the high performance of these systems.